Hi, Ethan. Good afternoon. You look very stressed today. How are things really going?
I'm trying to stay positive, Emily, but honestly, every day is a struggle. We're facing a family crisis.
I'm so sorry. Please tell me what's happening. Maybe I can offer some advice.
My father has a serious heart condition and is completely unable to work now. My mother is exhausting herself cleaning houses to earn money for our basic survival.
That's heartbreaking. How is your younger sister managing with the pressure?
She's stressed about school. The high tuition fees are an impossible financial burden on my parents, and the medical bills are constant.
You're carrying a huge responsibility, Ethan. What about your current job? Is it providing any relief?
I'm a bicycle food delivery driver. It's hard, honest work, but the pay is too low to solve these big problems. I need a much better, stable job.
That ambition is your greatest strength. Do you have any formal skills? Can you handle an office environment?
I have strong customer service skills for my delivery job. I'm reliable, and I can handle computers, email, Word, Excel basics, but I don't have a university degree or any corporate experience.
Don't let that stop you. In some companies, experience and attitude matter more. My company, Citywide Business Solutions, is actually hiring for an office assistant role.
An office assistant? That sounds like a huge step up. What exactly would my job responsibilities be there?
You would be the backbone of the team, answering phone calls, drafting professional correspondence like emails, managing files, and keeping the manager's daily schedule organized.
I think I could genuinely master these skills. And you mentioned better pay?
Much better pay. Plus, after a short probation period, they offer a comprehensive medical insurance package. That could be a lifesaver for your father's condition.
Medical insurance. That would be a huge relief for my father's condition. Emily, thank you so much for this suggestion. I will apply immediately. How do I apply? Do I need to write a cover letter?
Yes, definitely write a compelling cover letter and update your resume. I'll email you the application link immediately. Highlight your reliability and eagerness to learn.
Great. I'll apply online today itself. I really hope I get this chance.
You have a great chance, Ethan. Just focus on preparing for the interview. You are a good person with a strong sense of duty. I'll give you a fantastic reference.
Thank you. I would never have this chance without you, Emily. You are truly a great friend.
Hello, Ethan. Any news about the application?
Emily, I got an email from your company. I am shortlisted for the interview.
That is amazing news. I knew they would recognize your potential. When is the meeting?
It's tomorrow morning. I'm nervous, but I'm studying my interview strategy notes.
You must stay composed and confident. Remember to dress in your best formal attire. Professionalism starts with your appearance.
I will be punctual and perfectly dressed. What if they focus on my lack of formal qualifications?
Address it directly but positively. Emphasize your fast learning curve, your customer focus, and your fierce determination to improve performance through on-the-job training.
That makes sense. I'll tell them I'm ready to be trained in any necessary software or procedure. Thank you for the guidance.
You don't need to thank me, Ethan. I believe in you. You are changing your life.
I know. You've given me the opportunity, and I will turn it into success.
Hello, Ethan. Did you hear back from Mrs. Chen today?
Emily, I got the final call. I got the job.
Congratulations! That is truly wonderful news. I knew you would succeed.
I would never have had this incredible career break without you. You helped my family.
Nonsense. You earned this with your honesty and fierce hard work. I'm just happy to see you get the break you deserve.
I start on Monday. I promise I will not let you or the company down. I will become an asset to citywide business solutions.
I know you will, Ethan. Now, go home and share this amazing news with your family.
I will. Thank you again for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ethan. See you on Monday.